and welcome to the channel. I am opening this giant Second Nature home wellness thing. I'm not sure what's inside. I don't even know what this is, to be completely honest with you. It's a mystery to me, it's a mystery to you. So yeah, we're gonna open it and see what all the jazz is about. No. Jazz. It's a great musical, by the way. I can't open this. Got one thing. Today's a trying day for me. Let's just put it nicely. Okay, you know what? It's a freaking air vent. I don't know what this is, but it looks like an air vent.